In this video I will show you how to make money teaching English online. So there's basically two ways you can go. You can either become an English tutor or you can launch your own English course where you teach people English. Now the first option is easier and I'll show you exactly how you can do this using Preply. So Preply is a platform that connects tutors to students. So for example, when I go to the English tutors right here on Preply, you can see that these people are charging 25 euros and even up to 37 euros per 50-minute lesson. And this person has had over 2,500 lessons. So this person has made close to 100,000 euros teaching on Preply. So if you also want to start doing the same thing and start teaching English on Preply, then here's how you can do this. First, just go to preply.com and click on Become a Tutor. Now here you need to go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to sign up using Google. So then you need to go ahead and fill in some information about yourself. So first enter your first and last name, then your country of origin and the languages that you speak. Now of course, if you want to teach English, you need to be very good at English, so either C2 or native. Now for the subject taught, you want to select English, so you have a bunch of options, but all the way at the top you will see English. Now optionally you can also add your phone number and you need to confirm you are over 18 years old. Now the second step is to upload a profile photo. So what you want to do for a profile photo is you need to smile and look at the camera, you need to frame your head and shoulders just like the images here, and your photo needs to be centered and upright. You need to use neutral lighting and background, your face and eyes need to be fully visible except for religious reasons, and you need to avoid logos or contact information, and finally you need to be the only person in the photo. So just go ahead and upload your photo right here. So as you can see, a tip from them: tutors who look friendly and professional get the most students, just like the images that you see right here. So I will just use this image right here. So just go ahead and crop it and then click on next. Now here you can enter your teaching certification if you have any. So describe them to enhance your profile's credibility and get more students. So if you don't have them, tick this box. If you do, just enter your credibility right here. So for the subject you want to select English, since we want to make money teaching English online. Then here you can choose your certificate. So as you can see, there are a bunch of them here. Then enter your description, who it's issued by and your years of study. Then after you do that, you want to enter your education. So tell students more about the higher education that you have completed or are working on. So the people that are making the most, so that are actually making up to $500 per day teaching English on Preply, do have good certifications and education. So it is a major plus if you do have this, but if you don't, you can still make a lot of money teaching English on Preply. So for this example, I will say I don't have a higher education degree and click next. So the most important parts are your about section, your photo, your description, your video, availability and pricing. That's what the people will see first. So here just go ahead and introduce yourself. So show potential students who you are. Share your teaching experience and passion for education, and briefly mention your interests and hobbies. So just tell a little bit about yourself and what you like to do. Now here enter your teaching experience. So if you have teaching experience, go ahead and fill that in right here. For example, I have 5 years of teaching experience, I'm certified and my classes are etc. So just fill that in right here. Now here you can motivate potential students to book their first lesson with you. So if you want, you can get writing help, and then you will get an auto-generated message based on your information in just a few seconds. So I'll click on auto-generated message. Now here you can see a short line. So in this case, 5 years of online teaching experience. Let's learn English together and have fun. So click add to your profile, and now people will see this right here. So then click continue. And now you need to write a catchy headline. So something like certified tutor with 5 years of experience. So if you are not certified, you can say, for example, expert tutor with 1 year of experience, or just something similar. Then click on next. Now in the next step, just click on test camera, And now you need to upload a video, so add a horizontal video of up to 2 minutes. And here are some video requirements. So here's what you should do and what you shouldn't do. So just make sure to follow these guidelines, and you can also upload a video from YouTube. So you can simply upload your video onto YouTube and then paste in the link here, or you can directly upload the video onto Preply. And then just go ahead and click on next. Now here you want to set your availability. So first they will ask, is this your time zone? For me it is, so I will click yes. And now here you can set your availability. So you can choose the days that you are available and the times you are available in each specific day. So let's say I'm not available on Sunday, Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday. Then I can remove those, and then I can set the times right here. And the more time you are available, the more lessons you will be able to do, of course. So then click next. And now here you want to set your hourly base rate. Now when you are just starting out teaching English online and you don't have any reviews yet or any experience, you don't want to set your price too high. And the video is also very important, because there you can actually show that you are good at English and you want to come across as a nice person that people actually want to have a lesson from. So let's start off with $10 per hour. So you can see the Preply commissions right here. So in the first 0 to 20 hours that you teach, they have a commission rate of 33%, but eventually it will go down to 18%. I think this is pretty good, since they are connecting you with all these students. And pretty much all you need to do is just teach these students, and then you will make money. So then simply click complete registration. And now you have successfully submitted your registration, and within 5 business days you will receive an email with your application status update. So then click OK, I understand. So people are making up to 40 euros per hour tutoring English on Preply. Now another way that you can make money teaching English online is by launching your own course. For example, on this platform called Udemy, you can pretty easily upload your own language course, so in this case an English course, and you can see that some of these courses have a bunch of sales. For example, this one right here has over 18,000 reviews and it sells for 17 euros. Let's say that 1 in every 2 people leaves a review. That means that this person has made 36,000 times 70 euros, which is 2.5 million euros from just this online course. So as you can see, when I open up this course, you can see that this person has 82,000 students, and right now you can see it is 18 euros. So when I multiply the 82,000 right here by 18 euros, it comes out to nearly 1.5 million euros, which means this person has made close to 1.5 million euros from their English teaching course on Udemy. And as you can see, the course content is pretty extensive, and you will need to put a lot of time into your English course to make it really good up front. As you can see, some of these chapters are over 16 hours long. So make sure that you create a really good course, and then you can make hundreds of thousands of euros by just creating a course once. So that's another way to make money teaching English online. So that's how to make up to 1.5 million euros teaching English online. So if you like actually teaching people one-on-one, then I would go for the tutoring. And if you have a good camera quality and you like to create a large course, then I would go for the course option and upload it onto a platform such as Udemy. So you can just go to teach on Udemy right here. So that's how to make money teaching English online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.